Earth has survived billions of years of chaos, meteor strikes, supervolcanoes, mass extinctions. But what if we told you its luck is running out? One day, something will happen that ends this experiment we call humanity. And it won't just end us. It could destroy the Earth itself. Get ready, because today, we're diving into the 7 most terrifying ways Earth could meet its doom. Will we get sucked into a black hole? Could a second star suddenly appear, frying everything in its path? Or is the ultimate threat hiding beneath our feet, waiting to erupt? Stick around, because what you're about to see will change how you look at our planet forever. Number 1. The birth of a hypercane. We all know hurricanes are deadly, but compared to a hypercane, they're like a light breeze. Picture this. An asteroid slams into the ocean with such force that it boils the water. The result? A storm so massive, it makes hurricanes look like child's play. Winds faster than the speed of sound. Clouds towering 40 kilometers high, tearing into the atmosphere. And here's the kicker. This storm would rip apart the ozone layer. No ozone means deadly solar radiation raining down. Surviving a hypercane? Forget it. 2. Jupiter becomes a star. You know Jupiter as the massive gas giant in our solar system. But if it became 1,000 times more massive, it would ignite into a second star. This isn't a cosmic light show, it's a nightmare. A new star would throw the solar system into chaos. Earth could get dragged closer to its scorching heat, or worse, flung into deep space. Without the sun to keep us warm, we'd become a frozen rogue planet, drifting endlessly in the void. 3. The sun strikes back. The sun. It's the reason we're alive. But one day, it'll turn against us. When the sun runs out of fuel, its core will collapse, and its outer layers will expand. Oceans will evaporate, the surface will bake, and Earth will become a molten wasteland. And if that's not terrifying enough, the sun could collapse into a black hole. The gravitational pull would stretch Earth like spaghetti before swallowing it whole. 4. A world of fire and ash. What if every volcano on Earth erupted at the same time? Rivers of lava would incinerate everything. Red-hot rocks would rain down at 700 km/h, and ash would block out the sun. Temperatures would plummet, plunging us into an ice age. This wouldn't just end civilization. It could suffocate every living thing on the planet. 5. Spinning out of control. What happens if Earth starts spinning faster? At double the speed, oceans would rise, swallowing entire cities. At 7,886 meters per second, gravity wouldn't hold you down anymore. You'd fly off the planet. And if Earth spun at the speed of light, time would freeze and Earth could collapse into a black hole. Game over. 6. The ultimate storm. Hurricanes are bad, but climate change is making them even worse. Introducing the Category 6 hurricane. Winds at 300 km/h. Storm surges over 8 meters high. Cities like New York would be completely submerged. Debris would fly like missiles. Power grids would fail. And millions? Stranded or worse. 7. Zombies? You thought these were the scariest ways Earth could end? Think again. Because what if the greatest threat isn't in the sky or under the ground, but right beneath your feet? Yes, we're talking about a zombie apocalypse. Time to start practicing your cardio, because that, my friend, is a story for another episode. Earth's history is full of extinction-level events. And make no mistake, there's another one in our future. So, which one of these doomsday scenarios keeps you up at night? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because you never know what we'll explore next.